Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Barbara. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm bringing you a styling video. This is my very first time using palm rods, and for those of you who don't know, these are palm rods. I bought these smaller ones as you're going to be seeing in the video, and for the very first time it doesn't look so bad. I think the curls stand out very well. So I'm going to be showing you what I used for this tutorial. Pretty simple. I used water, my water spray, and then I used the multi-use butter, and then palm rod sets, and those are the palm rod sets that I used. I did the behind part of my hair off camera because you guys, it took me a while to get these to get the hang of this, and so I didn't want to film that. I'm going to be showing you with this last part of my hair, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So what I did was I sprayed my hair with a little bit of water, not a lot because I didn't want to wait for my hair to dry for a long period of time. So I used a little bit of water, and then I went in with my multi-use butter. I applied that. That butter is so good. It's like it gives you like some good smoothness on my hair. So I used that on my hair, and then I did a twist, like just twisted my hair with two strand twist. And after that, I just kind of like rolled my hair on the rolled set and clipped that to secure it, and that's pretty much what I did for this entire video. I wanted to try this rod set on dry hair, and so this is not freshly washed hair. I'm also going to try out on freshly washed hair and see if there's any difference. But with these styling things, because I don't want to like wait for my hair to dry for a long period of time, I like to do these on dry hair. So yeah, I did not do this on freshly washed hair. Another thing I want to say is that I did not use a comb or a denim brush or whatever to smooth out my hair. As you guys have heard from my previous videos, I am trying not to use combs this year. So I did not use a comb and to smooth out my hair, which I should have in order to achieve a better result on this rod set. Yeah, so I use my fingers to kind of smooth it out, and I use the butter to kind of like make sure that I remove all the knots in my hair to be able to like twist it up and give me the curls that I need. One thing I really noticed is that if you do use a comb, I think you have a smoother separation of your hair. So you can use your comb, you can use your whatever to smooth it out if you want to get real good definition of your hair. Stayed overnight with the hair like that, and I let it air dry. I did not use any heat, but you can for faster results. I do not use heat, so I had to like wait for it to air dry. The following day I took it out, and I was so impressed that my hair was dry. I guess because I didn't use a lot of water, and I didn't use like a leave-in conditioner, anything that's gonna be wet on my hair for a long period of time. I didn't use that. So water and the butter really did help with the fastest drying process for me. The following day I took the rods out. I was surprised with the curls. I had curls, guys. I had curls before I had to destroy it when I was separating it. Separating is another thing, but yeah, so I took it out and I had curls. I had so many curls, and because I did this rod set without measuring like my hair or which sections, the sections I wanted to have. So some of the sections were smaller than the others and were bigger. Like I really didn't care. Like I didn't care as long as it brought me some kind of curls and some kind of definition. I didn't care if I had the bigger size and the small size. So this is what happened. I had some sizes that were bigger and then some sizes that are smaller. Anyway, so I took it out and I kind of separated my hair, and yeah, and I really did separate a lot of it, and a lot of it was tangled, so the curls didn't come out right. And yeah, so it's really important when you're separating it. So I'm learning. It's really good when you're separating. If you're separating, don't do it too much, and try to make sure that you separate from where it is easily separating, if you know what I mean. So I learned that, but yeah, some places of my hair had some really messed up curls, and some other places were really defined, which was good. So it looks like it has potential to do better. We did good. We did good. On a scale of 1 to 10, guys, comment down below and let me know how did I do with this style for the very first time. I would love to hear from you guys. But other than that, I'm loving it. Would I try this style again? Definitely yes. I'm trying this again until I get it. And if you want to try it with me, comment down below and let me know. So that was it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. A lot of you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and subscribe down below. It really helps me a lot, and yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.